Hello dear students, in our previous class we studied that a conversation between the intruder and Gerard was started. Intruder was asking some questions from Gerard and Gerard was answering. So let's start today's class and discuss what happens next. Intruder, do you run a car? Here intruder asks a question to Gerard whether he has a car or not. Then Gerard answered, no, he hasn't any car. At this, the intruder responds that is a lie, means the answer of Gerard is a lie. And he also said that Gerard was not dealing with a foolish man, and he tells himself, means he introduces himself as a smart one and even smarter than Gerard. And the intruder knew very well that Gerard has a car. And at this, Gerard asked that uh, is he really an American or he is merely talking in American accent and or making a clever imitation. At this, intruder says to Gerard, listen, this gun is not a toy. At this, intruder said that, look, Mr. Gerard, the gun in my hand is not a toy, and I can harm you. I can shoot you on your leg or on your hand, and in that position you will not die, but you will crawl on the ground, and even then I can get my answers. At this, Gerard said, of course you can get your answer and you can harm me too. And then Gerard said he has a car and that car was in the garage round the corner. Intruder, that's better. Intruder said that it's better. Now your answer is correct. And one more question, do people often come out there? Gerard, very rarely. Few people take trouble to visit him, and those people are the baker, greengrocer, and a milkman, and that is quite charming, but not as interesting as the intruder. Intruder, I happen to know that you never see tradespeople. Intruder said that Gerard has never seen tradespeople. Gerard, you seem to have taken a considerable amount of trouble. Since you know so much about me, won't you say something about yourself? You have been so modest. Gerard said that you have taken a trouble. You have learnt a lot of around me, and it would be too good to tell me something about yourself, as you have been so modest. Intruder, I can tell you plenty of things, but look, Mr. Gerard, you think you are smart, but I am smarter than you. I got brains, and I also use those brains. And you know how I entered into your quarters and I am here? Gerard. And where precisely have you got? I didn't require a great brain to break into my cottage. Okay, Gerard said that it does not require any brain, use of any brain or any plan to enter into his cottage or break into his cottage. Intruder. When you know why I have taken into your little cottage, you will be surprised, and it won't be a pleasant surprise. Intruder said to Gerard that when he will came to know why he has entered into his cottage, then he will get surprise, and the surprise will not be pleasant. It will be a very painful and negative surprise. Gerard, with you figuring so largely in it, that is understandable. By the way, what particular line of crime do you embrace, or aren't you a specialist? At that, Gerard said that, yeah, I know very well how you entered my cottage and you are threatening to me. So I know I will get a very painful surprise. But please tell me what particular line of crime do you following? Do you follow? Are you a specialist of any branch of crime, or just a trivial one? Intruder. My specialties is jewel robbery. Your car will do me a treat. It's certainly a dandy bus. Then the intruder said that he was a jewel robbery expert, and Gerard's car will do a treat for him. Gerard, I am afraid jewels are few and far between in the wilds of access. Gerard said at this that he was afraid as the jewels were few in number and they were between forest of access. Intruder. So are the cops. I retired here nicely for a little while. And intruder also said that there will be some policemen, cops, and that's why he will stay at the cottage for some time. Gerard said that he cannot stay with him without permission. Intruder, you won't be here long, so I didn't trouble to ask. At this, intruder said that, Mr. Gerard, you will not live for long here, and that's why I don't. Oh, sorry, he didn't take trouble to ask. Gerard, what do you mean? At this, Gerard asked the meaning of his statement. Intruder clarifies that this is your surprise. I am going to kill you. Intruder reveals the surprise for Gerard and informs him that he was going to kill him. Gerard, a little harsh, isn't it? Intruder with heavy sarcasm. Yes, I will be sorry to do it. I have taken a fancy to you. But it is just got to be done. Intruder said that he was not going to kill Gerard for merely fun, but he was forced to do so. And this was a work, this was the murder to be done. Gerard, why add number to your other crimes? It is a grave step you are taking. Gerard said that you are a specialist in jewel robbery, Then why do you want to add one more crime in your criminal list? It was a grave step he was going to take in Tudors. I am not taking it for fun. I have been hunted long enough. I am wanted for murder already, and they can't hang me twice. The intruder informed Gerard that he was not going to kill him for only fun, and he was involved in hunting, involved in killing of people for a long time, and he was already a wanted criminal for the police. And he also told that he will not get capital punishment twice if he murders more than one people. So you are planning a gratitude double. So to speak, admitted you have nothing to lose, but what you have, what have you to gain? At this, Gerard said that means he was planned, means he had some plan to kill Gerard, and Gerard asked that he has nothing to lose, but what gain he will get by killing Gerard. At this, intruder said, I have got freedom to gain. As for myself, I am a poor hunted rat. As Vincent Charles Gerard, I am free to go places and do nothing. I can eat well and sleep and without having to be ready to beat it at the sight of a cop. So, intruder said that by killing Gerard, he will get freedom for himself. As present, he was a wanted person, wanted criminal for the police. And when he will kill Gerard, he will take identities of Gerard and will be Vincent Charles Gerard. And then he will be free to move any place, to eat whatever he want to eat, and to sleep. And he had not escaped himself from the cop whenever he confronts the police. So this was the conversation which we completed in today's class. In next class we will start the last from the last para, last statement that is made by Gerard on page number 141. So thank you dear students for watching this video.